Alright, it's January 9th, 2010, about 7:30 in the morning. I got sleet falling down on the bike. I'm ready to go for that snow ride as soon as the snow gets here. I was just checking the weatherman, and it is snowing up in Palm Coast in the Villages, which is about 30 miles north of Deltona, and it's moving this way, so I'm getting the bike warmed up. Hopefully I'll get my snow ride in. Well, it's about 7:30 still, and if you listen, you can hear it sleeting out here, and you can kind of see it, but you gotta go looking for it. This is on the windshield of Pam's car. Everything else, it's pretty much melting as soon as it hits the ground. It's not snow, but sleet. But they say the snow is coming. I don't know if you can see that on Jack's car.
To find something this widespread. Although they had more snow, we're getting more sleet reports today. Little tiny ice pellets. You can hear them as much as you can see them. Right now, here's the regional radar, and we've color-coded this as best we can. We're getting a mixture of some rain to the south, some sleet, including some snow. Most of the snowfall, the true snowflakes, are all up to the north, where it is a little bit colder in the upper atmosphere. We have sleet, occasionally mixing in with some heavy sleet across downtown Orlando. 31 degrees up through the I-4 corridor. It's all sleet all the time through DeLand and Sanford. That'll be occasionally accumulating just a little bit, perhaps in some of the grassy areas. Some light to perhaps a little bit of moderate snow around the Bellevue area reported earlier. And this will be occasionally some heavy rain mixed with some heavier sleet and rain. Just a mix of everything. That's that winter mix we were talking a lot about yesterday. Up toward the coast, Titusville, some freezing rain, not freezing rain, but actual rain changing over to some sleet. Freezing rain would be rain freezing on contact. The ground is too warm for that. But wind chills are 22 now in Orlando. That's what you need to dress for in addition to the wintry mix. Highs today in the low 40s, and that in itself is 30 degrees below average. We're going to get down to the 20s tonight. Freeze and hard freeze warnings are in effect.
Well, I don't know. It might snow. Yeah, it's sleeting out here pretty good now. You can hear it. I don't know if you can see that, but just like little Slurpee chunks falling onto the bike. Well, I don't know if the snow is going to get here. You can see it starting to collect that pretty good on the windshield. Might have to just settle for a sleet ride. Well, it's about 7:45, and our sleet we had is now turned back into just good old plain rain. Of course, you can. I'm wondering if I missed my chance for a Ural ride in the sleet, at least anyway. I put the bike back in the garage because it's just getting wet, and I didn't want to ride with a wet butt in the cold. I know, found me a sissy. Out here on the back porch, and it's just turned back into rain now. If it was just a few degrees colder, maybe we'd have some snow, but we did have some sleet. I don't know if we're going to get any more. Dang it. I was hoping for a Ural ride in the snow this morning. Well, it's a little after 8, and it's raining, but I don't know if you can see that. You can see like where some sleet stuff accumulated on the roof of the car. Now it's just getting all wet. No snow yet. We're still hoping, though. Still waiting for the snow. It's just kind of a drizzly out right now. Well, it's about 8:35, and we're getting some more rain mixed with sleet. It's really weird. You can't see it all that well unless you happen to be looking at the hood of the car or something, or the windshield, and you can see the little sleet or Slurpee pellets just kind of bounce, and then they sit there for a second and they just kind of melt. It's about 36 degrees out now. The temperature's dropping a little bit, and I was just checking the weatherman, and it's supposed to be we might. We're like right on the edge of that area that might get some snow. Keeping my fingers crossed. You can see it kind of slides down the windshield of the cars and collects up down at the bottom. A little bit more than there was before. Can you hear it? Well, it's about 10 o'clock in the morning, and this is our screen porch. It's just covered with icy sleet, and temperature's gone down a little bit, about 35. I don't know if we're going to get snow or not, but it's really weird. You hear it, it sounds like a big bowl of Rice Krispies or something. There's all our poor plants all covered up from the freeze. But yeah, look at it all over the screen. It's freaky.